factory produces premium chocolate bars using simple ingredients and strict quality standards. Here in the facility, we transform simple ingredients, cocoa beans, sugar, and milk, through controlled processes into the chocolate bars you love. Maintaining a sterile environment is our top priority here. Now, let's head inside and I'll show you how it works.
The digital records confirm the batch codes match the physical labels.
And the safety documentation is fully compliant.
The sugar measurement is precise at 500 kilograms.
Confirmed. Powder flow looks consistent as well.
Speed set to 45. Check temperature regulation.
Temperature is stable at 90 degrees. Confirmed.
After meticulous measurement of ingredients like sugar, the mixture enters the conche. The time here is critical for smoothness and taste.
Now, the flawlessly tempered liquid gold is ready, signaling the transition from creation to molding.
The viscosity looks good, consistent flow rate.
Right.
Agreed, the sheen is perfect.
Belt speed calibrated. System is stable.
Flow rate consistency is stable at 98%.
Excellent. Transfer to the molding line is clear.
Quality is our top priority here. Watch as we precisely mold our signature chocolate bars. As the molds are filled, they move onto the vibrating tables.
As the display shows, the temperature gradually decreases. This precisely controlled cooling prevents cracking or bloom in the product.
Bringing the temperature down slowly.
The parameters are responding well.
open random cartons for internal inspection, ensuring every chocolate bar meets our standards before final approval.
This batch meets all the specifications for the CMAS tank.
Agreed. I'll sign off on the release documentation now.
The part concludes with a cinematic, wide view of the packaging hall in steady operation.
Put that pallet right over there by the yellow line.
The HS codes on this export documentation don't match the schedule.
I see that. We need to update the terminal immediately, or it will cause customs delays.
This commitment to quality assurance drives everything we do, ensuring excellence across our entire production ecosystem. The temperature logs confirm consistent conditions for batch 45B.
Perfect. We are well within the strict preservation standards.
efficiency is up 10% this quarter.
The workflow improvements are clearly paying off on the line.
And we've exceeded our sustainability targets significantly. Quality scores are up significantly this quarter.
Yeah, and that efficiency gain is visible right there on the factory floor.
Yeah.
So the new protocols are working as expected. As you can see, our quality scores have significantly improved this quarter.
That's excellent. What can we attribute this upward trend in efficiency to?
Every chocolate bar represents ethical sourcing, careful processing, and human craftsmanship. We continue to emphasize quality control, transparency, and responsibility in modern food manufacturing.
Like, comment, and subscribe to The Gen Artisan for more behind-the-scenes industrial documentaries.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility. We're proud to show you how the magic happens.